Hey guys, back with me for another road trip. Today we are going down to Padre Island, Texas, and I'm super excited. We're gonna be gone for 7 days. I have a lot to pack, so hopefully it fits in the van. Okay, let's get going because I'm on a time crunch. If you guys watched my last organizing the van packing video, you guys would see that I still have my bins in here. I haven't put them away, nor have I organized anything since the trip, so it's kind of like a mess right now. I don't really have a lot of time because we're literally leaving in like 30 minutes, and I'm just trying to cram everything in right now. And on top of that, we are planning to go boondocking and maybe checking out a few RV sites, so I have to take the cushions with me. It might be a little bit more tight this trip, but we don't have the boys, so we can really stack a lot of things on this back chair. So let me show you what I'm working with right now, and then I'm just gonna organize it real fast and shove everything in. Hey guys, so I'm editing the video right now, but I just wanted to say the van is a mess from our first trip down to Key West, Florida, so that's why the storage bins and stuff are all unorganized and kind of messy, so pardon that. We don't have a lot of snacks and stuff because obviously the boys aren't with us and we don't snack that much. I'm just trying to figure out what we still have in here so that I don't take like extras, you know? I have a lot of sunscreen and bug spray. It's going back. This is the mesh thing for my window. It literally keeps falling off. So when we first got the van, we had already addressed this with the service center at the dealership or whatever, and they said that they would fix it, but honestly they didn't even do anything. All they did was just push it back in, and obviously it didn't work because the adhesive is not even tacky anymore. So I'm just gonna do it myself because at this point the dealership can't do anything right, which is so lame. But yeah. I don't know where I'm gonna put the suitcase. It's really big. Okay, let's see if I can even get the suitcase up here. It's super heavy, but actually I'm gonna just try to put some stuff in here. We do have an Airbnb for a few nights, so I'll just pull this whole like bin out and take it in the house or wherever we're staying. Okay, what's next? I am going to try to get the suitcase up here. Okay, suitcase is super heavy. I don't know if I can do it, but I'm going to try. Guys, let's put my muscles to the test. Oh, it's actually not that bad. I can do it. I can do it. Okay. Okay, let's see. Okay, so that was the first obstacle. The second one is figuring out where I'm going to put this suitcase. I'm gonna try. Okay, not bad. I think I like it here, so I'm going to take it off and try to install the Velcro system thing. So yeah. But honestly, I could even just like wedge it here while we're driving, like here, because there's like a slot here, and it kind of fits there too. I don't know. You know, I'm just gonna leave it here. Yeah, I'm not gonna try it. I'm just gonna leave it here. Let's put the cushions back on that. And okay guys, the next thing I'm going to load is the food. So I just turned on the fridge, which I probably should have done earlier, but let me show you guys my fridge. Em and I cooked a lot yesterday, so I'm going to take a cooler with me too. I'm gonna do my best to store whatever I can in this fridge. Whatever doesn't fit, it's going in the cooler. Okay, let me show you. So I'm bringing my sriracha bottle, of course. This is like a must-have for me. Like, this is my favorite. I have a lot. I need to clean the lid. We had a party, so yeah. I have stir-fried noodles, miso. So it's egg noodle with some veggies, tofu, onions, shrimp, and beef. So delicious. Second bag. Next up, I have my rice. So I cooked it. This is 3 cups of rice. And then, let's see. This is tofu. It is so what is that in English? Tofu fried with lemongrass and chili paste. It's delicious, guys. Super spicy. I have fajita veggies. This is bell peppers, onions, and jalapenos, because we'll be doing tacos, and some sausage for our spaghetti. So we have a lot of food, guys. I have some, how do you say roll? I have some, like, it's not steamed, blanched. Is it blanched? I have blanched some veggies to eat with my rice. Some tortillas. And I have pickled veggies too. This is the fridge setup. So I put things that are kind of saucy in here, just in case it spills. And then I had to wedge my pickled veggies because I don't want this place to smell like vinegar. And then I have my spaghetti sauce in this cooler. We are almost done. We're like 90% there. We're just gonna put a wagon in. Alright guys, we're all done packing. We're ready to head out. Alright guys, we are all packed and we're heading down to South Padre. Alright guys, so this is the setup. We have our wagon here. It's gonna be nice whenever we go fishing and stuff. We can just pack all of our stuff in this wagon and pull it along with us. This is extra water. Our sink, of course. In here we have our fishing supplies, fishing poles, tools, tackle, all of that good stuff. And then this is the back. Kind of a mess. Just because we have so much stuff that we're taking. This is our cooler. I have my spaghetti sauce in there and our bait. We have all types of junk. So I have my suitcase, the mats, bedding, bed sheets. Just, yeah, this is how it looks. It's going to be very, very interesting when we get to our campsite or whatever, because we have a lot of stuff. Like, you guys, one of the best things about having this van is just having all of this like space and room, because like this whole trip, or every time in this van, actually I'm always working. Like, I work remotely most of the time, so I love that I have so much space here in the van. It's really comfortable, and if I wanted to be even more comfortable, I can literally go out back, set up the table, and work on the road. But I mean, I don't do that because I like to have company and I like to keep him company. But yeah, honestly, like, this is the best thing in the world. Hey guys, so what is the breakdown of the itinerary?
We are gonna head into our Airbnb for 2 nights.
Yes.
Because we're actually chartering, fishing on charter for 2 days.
So we're going tomorrow and on Wednesday.
And then after that, we're going to try to put this RV to use and try to boondock maybe down by the beach, maybe on the border of Mexico. I don't know.
Yeah. I'm kind of excited, but I'm scared.
Me too, but
I'm scared because, like, the closest thing I've ever done to like camping is either, you know, is sleeping in the woods, but in a cabin in Colorado, so that's not really camping. The second closest thing is just laying on the floor on the grass. Like, when I was a kid, that's the closest thing I've ever done to camping. So, I mean, I've never really camped, so.
I camped before, but it's been many years. So. But I never truly camped in a tent.
So how did you camp?
In a camper.
Oh.
Back then when I was a kid, so.
Yeah. So, I don't know. It's going to be very interesting, but really fun. But yeah, we're going to go try to find some places to enjoy the RV. Stay tuned for that.